How to create a new Lego account. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily create a new Lego account. But before we begin, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, open up your web browser and search for lego.com. And once you search for lego.com, hit enter and you will be landed on the Lego's homepage. Now from here, all you have to do is click on the sign in option on the top right corner. Click right here, and if you already have an account, you can click on sign in, but if you're new, click on register. So from here, you'll be taken to a different login portal here. You'll just have to provide a few details. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue with my Google account because it's a lot easier and I don't have to enter any of my information. So here I'm just going to choose this account as my Legos. Now once you have entered all of your details and chosen your account, you will get an activation code on your email. So let me just open up my email right here, click on my Gmail on a new tab, and I'm just going to have to enter the code that Legos has sent me on my email. So here is the activation code. I'm just going to click on it and click on this Legos account. Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this code and paste it right here. Now click on continue. And if you're having trouble, you could click on send a new code as well. They will send you a new code. Now, once you do that, if you want to get personalized news and offers, you can do that as well. I'm just going to skip everything for now. Finally, you have successfully logged in to your new Lego account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.